Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can change your Facebook page name. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC, then go to the new tab and search in for a www.facebook.com and press enter, then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Facebook login ID and password. Here at the home page of your Facebook, you need to click on the page option on the left panel. Here you will be able to see the page over here. You click on the page. Here inside your Facebook page, you need to go to the manage page section at the left panel. There you need to scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of settings. You click on it. Now here at the page settings section, you can see the option of page info. You click on it. That is where you can view all your page information. Now here you can see the edit page info where you can see your name and also username. As we are going to change our page name, you need to click on the name. Then you go in for erasing the current one and go in for providing a new name as you want. After you are done, you need to click on the outer side of the box. Now here, confirmation request will be shown where current page name and new page name has been given. So you click on request change. Once the request is accepted, you will have your page name changed. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can change your Facebook page name. Thank you.